No face, no case. No face, no case.
First made a giggle, no tickle. Then made a tickle my pickle. Metal on me like a nickel. Ice on me just like a sickle. Might buy a bike and if I bought a bike then I'm putting ice on a bicycle. These nigga bite, oh yes, these nigga bite like Mike Tyson. I react with giggles. Danny, how you feel?
I feel great. Shh, shh, brr, get out. Yeah, run off with your shit, nigga. What now? I'm on the block from sun up to sundown. You was under, you wanna know where to be found. Hey. Hey.
Whoa.
Hey. Hey.
She ready, J.
Woo. Hey.
Dipped in a new outfit.
Hey.
40 on the wrist and it's lit.
Hey.
Presidential suites at the Ritz.
Hey.
And I just got back from a trip.
Hey.
Carrots blue like the ocean. Hairdo crisp and I'm toasting. I'm the new wave, yeah, I'm boasting. Instagram, Snapchat posting. OMG.